Happy birthday! Kulit na, James mo! Ay, ang kulit ng batang ito, oh. Boy, marunong na siyang magtampo. Bobo, baby ni Mami. It's okay. May attitude na talaga siya, guys. Ay. Babe!
Yes.
I'm having a hard time here.
Should I get a hug?
Daddy wants a hug.
Or I can wipe her nose. One of the two. Oh, they're gonna give me. Okay. Oh.
So, ayan na siya, guys. Tara, lulutuin na natin. Today's James' birthday. Happy birthday! So, ito guys, hindi na to surprise yung kanyang gift kasi sila din ni Dominic yung bumili nito. Tapos, ayan, habang binabalot natin, hindi ko naman pwedeng itago kasi ako yung nagbabantay sa kanya right now. And kailangan na natin ibalot kasi noon na dito and then mamayang 6 p.m. is yung birthday party niya. So, kailangan na natin talaga siyang ibalot. Bahala na. Siya din naman yung pumili nito kaya walang surprise na. Pero anyway, ito yung natira nating gift wrapper sa ating Christmas gift. At ito na din yung gagamitin natin pambalot ng kanyang gift. How many gift you have, James? Boy, so hindi ko nakita yung mga gift na to guys kasi sila lang dalawa yung bumili nito. Actually, si James din yung pumili, sabi ni Dominic. So, meron tayong, I guess, 5 different gifts. Oh, no, we're still gonna wrap it for you. Later, you're gonna open it and then you can play. Sige na. Gusto niya talaga guys i-open na para laruan kasi favorite niya talaga itong Cars, yung Cars na TV show, si Lightning McQueen. Mabilis lang to guys kasi ang dami ko pa talagang gagawin. Ipiprito pa natin yung ating lumpia. Hugin pa natin yung ating barbecue pork. So, wala na akong oras. Tapos wala kaming maliit na, James, no. James. Mama needs to, Babe. Mama needs to wrap it. James, no. Please. Ay, ang kulit ng batang ito, oh. Boy, marunong na siyang magtampo. Abo, baby ni Mami. Abo, you don't wanna talk to me? Huh? Abo, it's okay. May attitude na talaga siya, guys. Pag hindi mo mabigay yung gusto niya, yun yung ginagawa. It's okay. Okay. Mama's wrapping it. Gusto niya talaga kasi i-open tong race car na ito. Mamaya, mag-play ka ha? Opo. Look, you have books. You can read some books. Yeah? Oh, wow. Yeah, mga toddler talaga. Regaluhan mo ng toy. Siguro mga ilang laro lang nila, guys. Ayaw na nila. Kaya nakokolekt nilang lahat ng toys nila. Yung bahay namin puro toys na lang. Ay. You okay now? Okay, mag-vlog na si Mami? There you go. Entertaining himself. No. Go. Get your animals. Get your animals. Lablab ka ba na animals mo, oy? Ay. Tinapon niya yung mga toys ni Chris.
Bye.
So, one down, guys. Ayan. Balot na siya. Oh, balot na ni Mami. It's okay. And ito naman is piano. Ayun guys. Maganda, ang very dense niya ha. Sabi ni Dominic, naka 200 daw sila sa gift lang ni James. Pero okay lang, is nag-iisa lang naman yung anak niya, di ba? We're gonna wrap it! Itong bata na to gusto niyang... Okay, we're gonna wrap. You're gonna help mommy wrap? Look! We're gonna wrap it together. Oh. Sige na, babe. Oh. How are we gonna finish, boy? Oh. You don't want to wrap? Oh, free? Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here. Here. Ay, ay. Babe! I'm having a hard time here. This kid.
Bye.
No, it's not bye-bye, ah? You will see them again later. He said, oh guys, free. Free. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Ow. Gina? James? It's okay, you're gonna see them again. Okay, you're gonna see them again. You're gonna see them again. Yeah. Did you cry up? You're really a Yeah, we're gonna wrap them. And see? Guys, ayan na siya. Hindi na siya umiiyak. Alam niyo anong snacks na James? Yan, favorite niya yan guys. Yung ramen. Ayan guys, ramen na hilaw. Favorite niya yan. Tapos itong biscuit. Yan, di ko ba alam guys, but favorite niya to. Hilaw na noodles. Ayan, pero healthy version naman to guys. Kasi isang ingredients lang siya, parang made in Japan siya na ramen. So, kapag gusto namin mag-cheat sa dinner niya, ito yung gagamit namin, the healthy, at least healthier version siya ng noodles. Ayan. Are you okay? Are you okay na? I love you. Don't cry, it's your birthday. Oh, ayan na naman siya. So, guys.
Bye.
Ha? Hindi.
Somebody being grumpy?
He's just like,
I probably wants to play with gifts.
yeah.
Why
No,
are you
and-
wrapping them? I'm right here.
And he said, free the animals.
Is it free?
Bye.
What?
Say hi to our vlog,
What
Dad.
is this? That's not good.
It's the Japan one.
Oh, okay, the healthy one. Yeah. Good job,
Yeah.
buddy. You okay?
It's okay now.
You mad? I'm in a meeting up there. Oh, the camera's on.
Yeah.
No.
It's so funny, like the whole time we were like rapping. He just, like,
I know, I heard him. I got hearing him come over to the stairs too. I'm trying to talk to people in my meeting, sir.
Ah, you've been in the meeting?
Yeah. Can I get a hug?
Daddy wants a hug.
Or I can wipe her nose. One of the two. Oh, they're gonna give me. Okay. Oh. Thank you.
You like it, James?
Very yummy. Is it good? How does he do with the croutons?
Yeah. So far it's good.
Good job. The washer. Did you ever rerun it after?
Not yet.
Because it's still all wet in there.
No, it's probably should be dry now, right?
Was it wet last night when you stopped it? I
No.
thought there was some left over that was wet.
But you need to like at least 10 minutes to the wrinkle.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. I'll run that right now.
Why you need some?
I don't know if my special was in there maybe.
Say hi to my vlog, babe.
Hi to the vlog. James, wait. Hi, I'm working. It's our birthday boy. We got a party tonight. Oh, look, but he's gonna give it to. Okay, thank you. Wow, wow. For you.
That's for you. Now you can have.
It's for James.
Dada.
It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. Alright, just one. Bite it. No, it's for you. James, what are you doing? You going to school?
Just the driver.
Or something like that.
Where's the other animals?
Huh?
Gee, dance me. Gee.
The bus has 4 round wheels.
Sometimes the bus goes slow. Hey!
The red stop sign means cars must stop.
James, we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna put it in the box.
It's like, why? I'm
Sige na.
playing with.
Put it in the box.
Put it in.
We're gonna wrap it. Sige na. So, yung 5 animal figure niya, dito namin ilalagay sa box. Tapos ibabalot namin para sama-sama na sila. But, he's running away with the 2 stuffed animals in there. James, let's go. We're gonna put it in the box and then we're gonna wrap it. Then na. Can you give it to Mama?
Okay.
Huh? Where you going? James, where you going? Where you going? You're running away from me. Where you going? Huh? Huh? Where you going? Who is that? What you got in your hand? Huh? Oh, jumping, jumping. Aba. Alright, so mamaya ko na lang yan balutin, guys, kasi nilalaro ka niya. Uy, be careful. Mahulog ka. Be careful. So, mamaya na lang natin yan ibalot. And then, mabilis lang naman yan kasi isa na lang din. And then, mag-prepare tayo ng ating barbecue. And so far, ito yung ating nabalot. Yung 4 na gifts natin. And ito na lang yung mamaya. Ayan, guys. Ready na for James' birthday party. Dami niyang gift, ha? Happy birthday, James! Alright, next step natin, tutusukin na natin yung ating na-marinate na pork shoulder. So, overnight ko na siyang na-marinate, guys. And then, ito naman yung ating skewer. Overnight ko din siyang binabad sa tubig. Ayan. So, let's do it! Kasi wala na talaga akong oras, guys. Kailangan ko pa ma-prepare niya ang breakfast ni James. So, tara, let's do it. Ayan, guys. Start na natin. Wala na tayong oras. Wala na tayong oras. Ayan. Mamarinate na tayo. Hi, baby. Ayan, mix-mix lang natin. Malambot siya, guys, tusukin. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng Sprite, 'di ba? Pag nilagyan kasi ng Sprite, talagang lumalambot yung lumalambot yung karne. Kahit pag nagluluto ako ng meat, like gizzard, ganon, nilalagyan ko talaga siya ng Sprite. Sobrang lambot niya. Ayan. Ayan na, 1 down. Pwede na ako magbenta ng barbecue dito sa Amerika. Ayan, nakadalawa na tayo. Everybody, ito na yung ating pork barbecue shoulder. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung nagawa ko, guys. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So, it's like more or less 30 pieces na barbecue. And ito yung ating natirang marinated sauce. So, gagamitin natin yan mamaya pang brush habang niluluto natin ito. Ayan. Pero, kukuha lang tayo ng siguro ng 1/4 of this. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng hoisin sauce kasi wala tayong oyster. Tapos, imimix din natin ng ketchup and brown sugar para pang toppings natin pang sauce. Para hindi ma-dry yung ating pork shoulder. Ganito siya, guys. 'Di ba? Madami-dami na din. So, kapag hindi namin ito maubos mamaya sa party, dadalhin ko yung iba sa aking ka-workmates. Ayan. Para na din sa aming ulam. So, pagsasabayin na natin, guys, magpapainit tayo sa pot na to ng mantika para sa ating lumpia. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin nating sheets para sa ating barbecue. Ayan. Pagpipilian ko pa kung saan dito yung gagamitin natin. Pero for sure, itong nasa taas na to, gagamitin natin yan. Pero ito, 50-50 na siya. Pero nahugasan ko na din yan. And then, magpapakulo muna tayo ng ating mantika. Ayan. Habang nagluluto tayo, dito naman sa ating living room, ayan, kumakain ng ating birthday celebrant ng kanyang brunch. Brunch na yan, guys. Wala pa kaming breakfast. And it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And ayan yung pagkain niya. Meron siya ditong meatballs. Pero ni-shred ko yan siya. Ganito lang siya kaliliit. Tapos sinasawsaw niya yan sa ketchup. Meron siyang boiled carrots tsaka 2 scrambled eggs. Yan yung kanyang breakfast. Hi, birthday boy! Bangs niya talaga. O, ayaw ko talaga tong bangs na to. Pero nagaganyan kasi yung buhok niya, guys. Pero pag nilagyan mo siya ng gel, ayan, dapat side lang yan. Pero pag walang gel, nagbabangs siya. Hi, birthday boy! Enjoy your food, okay? Why are you just eating the ketchup? James? Okay, eat your food. Look, got some eggs. Dahil na, Then dip the eggs in the ketchup. Ay, nalanggit. Ayan yung pinapanood niya, Bolt. Ayan yung dog, guys.
But in the end, we will get your little.
Ayan. Mainit na yung ating pot. And ito yung gagamitin nating oil, guys. Vegetable oil. Normally, olive oil yung ginagamit namin sa bahay. But since olive oil is not good for deep frying, hindi magka-crispy yung ating prepretuhin. So, ito yung gagamitin muna natin this time. So, ayan. Pour lang natin. Dapat deep fried siya, guys. Kaya marami yung oil na ating gagamitin. Ayan. Napakasayang ng mantika. Ano ba yan? Parang sobrang kalahati talaga yung ating nagamit, guys. I-preheat din natin yung ating oven para sa ating barbecue. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung time namin kasi late yan, guys. So, bake muna natin. Niresearch ko lang din to sa YouTube. So, sabi, 350 daw yung oven. So, bake natin 350 and then start. Na-preheat na natin yung ating oven. Nagpapainit na tayo ng mantika. Next natin na gagawin is ilalagay natin dito yung ating barbecue. But first thing first, lalagyan muna natin ng foil. Ayan, lagyan natin ng foil. Ayan, naghahabol na naman ako ng oras, guys. Ano ba yan? Ayan, lagyan muna natin ng foil. Para yung sauce niya, pwede pa natin gamitin mamaya pang brush ulit sa ating pork. Ayan, pangalawang beses ko pa lang itong lutuin. Pero yung last naman, success naman, nagustuhan naman ng in-laws ko. So, this time, hindi ko alam kung magiging successful. Hope maging successful kasi wala tayong choice. Wala tayong panghanda mamaya kung hindi siya magiging successful. So, ito na yung ating first. And then, next naman natin, itong isa. Wait. Lagyan ulit natin ng foil, guys. Then, patong natin to. Ayan. So, ito na siya, guys. Buti nagkasya siya sa dalawang baking sheets natin. Ayan na siya. And then, hihintayin lang natin mag-ready yung ating oven. Nasa 275 na siya. Almost 350. And ilalagay na natin to.